In this video, you will learn how to delete and remove unwanted objects from any images using Photomator. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and if you are looking for a quick Photomator tutorial to learn how to delete and remove unwanted objects from images, then this video is for you. Now without any further delay, let's get started. In order to delete and remove unwanted objects using Photomator, you have to first of all open Photomator and select the image in which you want to make edits and remove unwanted objects. I'll select this one, and after that this image will open inside Photomator. And once the image opens in the Photomator app, what you have to do is you have to tap on this repair tool that you see here in the top right corner. So tap on repair tool, and once you select the repair tool, here you get the option to increase or decrease the brush size. If you slide it right, the brush size will increase, and if you slide it left, the brush size will decrease. I'll keep it smaller so that I'll be able to select the object more precisely. So once that is done, select the object that you want to remove. I'll select this one and hold it until it is selected with the yellow color like this. And once that is done, just release it and the unwanted object will be removed from the image. Similarly, you can also make edits and select other objects as well that you want to remove from the image. In this case, I have selected this one, and once I release it, you will notice that the selected object has been removed from the image. And once done with the edit, simply tap done, and then the image will be saved with the edited version. So this is how you delete and remove unwanted objects from image using Photomator. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit the like button to let me know. And if you have got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching.